What's the meaning of commedia dell'arte? Commedia dell'arte. Commedia dell'arte.
Commedia dell'arte. Commedia dell'arte. Commedia dell'arte is a form of improvised comedic theater that originated in Italy in the 16th century. It featured stock characters such as Pantalone, Harlequin, and Columbine, who performed in masks and costumes. The performances often involved physical comedy, acrobatics, and witty dialogue. Commedia dell'arte was highly popular throughout Europe and had a lasting impact on theatrical traditions, including modern clowning and vaudeville. Its legacy can also be seen in contemporary forms of entertainment such as television sitcoms and sketch comedy.